Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to test the Einar ANPR and MMR access control camera in an office environment before installing it in the field. Use a realistic test image. Instead of printing just a license plate, use a photo of a real vehicle in a typical street setting. Ideally, print a picture taken from the actual location where the Einar camera will be installed. This gives the most accurate test results. Position and scale matter. Make sure the vehicle appears in the center third of the image and is shown at a realistic size, not too big, not too small. This helps the camera recognize license plates under real-world conditions. Check camera settings. Open the camera's settings interface. Make sure the licenses are active and the ANPR engine is enabled. In the Detector menu, confirm that object detection is turned on. This is the recommended mode for most access control scenarios. Enable overlay in live view. In the live view menu, turn on the following overlay features: tracked objects found under the object tracker engine, and license plate located under the ANPR engine. These indicators help you confirm when the camera detects a vehicle and successfully reads a license plate. Set a delay to avoid duplicate reads. In the ANPR settings, you can define a minimum time interval, such as 5 seconds, to prevent logging the same plate repeatedly. This step is optional, but helpful if frequent duplicate reads would clutter your event log. Avoid PlateFinder mode for office testing. PlateFinder relies solely on license plate detection and ignores the full vehicle outline. While it can work well outdoors, it's not ideal for office environments, mainly because it's difficult to recreate real-world conditions, like moving license plates at a distance of 5 meters or more. For reliable testing indoors, we recommend using object detection mode instead. Maintain realistic distance and image size. Avoid placing the test image too close to the camera or using a license plate that fills the entire frame. This can interfere with recognition. The vehicle or plate should take up about 1/3 of the image or less. Aim for a realistic distance and angle, similar to the planned installation. If the image isn't sharp, press autofocus to ensure clarity. Typical mistakes that prevent detection. Don't use a bright or low contrast background behind the plate. Check for any masking, exclusion zones in the lower part of the image where the plate might appear. These can block detection entirely. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the message "Successful Detection and Recognition" in live view. And that's it. Your Einar camera is ready for real-world access control. Test it right, install with confidence.